Disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, or security advice. Always do your own research and consult a professional before making any financial decisions. Crypto investments carry risks, including loss of capital.
All right, everyone, buckle up because we're diving headfirst into the crypto crash that everybody's talking about.
Yeah, it's been pretty hard to miss.
Definitely not. I mean, Bitcoin is like the poster child for crypto right now, and it's taken a major hit.
A major hit is right. We're talking news articles, financial reports, even your neighbor's probably talking about it.
Seriously. So today we're going deeper than those headlines.
Yeah.
You know, we've got all sorts of reports and analyses.
We're going to look at why this crash is happening and what it could mean for the future of crypto. Oh. So if you're into crypto,
or even just curious, this is the deep dive for you.
To kick things off, Bitcoin's price has plummeted more than 20% since its high back in January. It's currently sitting at around $84,201.
Ouch. That's a big drop. I mean, for anyone who bought in near the peak.
Yeah, it's a tough pill to swallow for sure. And it's not just about the numbers. This drop signifies a real shift in market sentiment.
So it's not just Bitcoin feeling the pain.
Right.
What about all those other cryptocurrencies we hear about?
Absolutely not. This isn't isolated to Bitcoin. We're seeing a ripple effect across the entire crypto market.
I've seen headlines about billions of dollars wiped out of the global crypto market.
Yeah, the numbers are staggering. It's estimated that around $800 billion has evaporated from the market in just the past few weeks.
Wow. And are other big players like Dogecoin, Solana, Cardano, were they all tanking too?
Yeah, pretty much all the major altcoins are down significantly. It really highlights how much influence Bitcoin has on the market.
Like if Bitcoin sneezes, the rest of the crypto world catches a cold.
Exactly. It often sets the tone for the entire market.
Okay, so we've got this massive Bitcoin drop impacting everything else. But what else is fueling this crash?
Well, one major factor that can't be ignored is the recent Bybit hack.
Oh, yeah, I read about that. That was a huge amount of money stolen, right?
Well, yeah, it was a massive security breach. Hackers made off with over $1.5 billion in Ethereum.
That's insane. I mean, how does something like that even happen?
Well, security in the crypto world is constantly evolving. It's a bit of a cat and mouse game between developers and hackers.
I guess that makes sense.
Yeah.
But how does a hack like that affect the bigger picture?
It really shakes investor confidence. When something like this happens, people start to question the security of the entire system.
Right. They're probably thinking, is my money safe in this?
Exactly. And that fear can lead to people pulling their investments, which further drives down prices.
Like a domino effect all over again.
Yeah.
So we've got internal factors like this hack, but I'm guessing there are some external pressures too, right?
Absolutely. The global economy plays a huge role. We're seeing rising inflation concerns about potential tariffs and overall economic uncertainty.
Yeah, I've been seeing those headlines everywhere. It seems like everything's getting more expensive.
It is. And when the economy is shaky, investors tend to move away from riskier assets like cryptocurrencies. They look for safer havens like government bonds or precious metals.
Makes sense. So it's like they're battening down the hatches, getting ready for a storm.
Yeah, that's a good analogy. And on that note, we need to talk about institutional investors.
Oh, yeah. The big players like Fidelity and BlackRock, they were all over Bitcoin for a while, weren't they?
Yeah, they were pouring billions into Bitcoin ETFs. But recently, we've seen a complete reversal.
Really?
Oh, yeah. There have been record outflows from Bitcoin ETFs. More than $937.9 million was pulled out in just one day.
That's a huge red flag. I mean, these are the big institutions that were supposed to legitimize crypto.
Exactly. And their withdrawal signals a lack of confidence in the market. It makes other investors think twice.
It's like everyone's looking to the big guys for guidance, and they're saying, nope, not a good time.
Pretty much. And to make matters worse, Bitcoin has fallen below a crucial support level of $90,000.
Support level. For those of us who aren't, Wall Street wizards, what does that mean exactly?
Think of it like a safety net for the price. When the price drops below a key support level, it often triggers more selling.
So it's like a downward spiral.
Yeah, it can be. And some analysts believe that if this trend continues, Bitcoin could fall as low as $70,000.
Oof. That's not what anyone wants to hear.
Yeah.
Especially those who bought in at the peak.
Nope, not at all. And then there's the whole issue of regulation, or rather the lack of clear regulation.
Oh, yeah. I remember all the talk about new crypto policies.
There are a lot of expectations, but they haven't really materialized, which creates uncertainty for investors.
So it's like trying to navigate a maze blindfolded. You don't know what's coming next.
Exactly. Investors need clear guidelines to feel confident. And without that regulatory clarity, we see hesitation and slower adoption.
So let's recap. We've got security breaches, like the Bybit hack.
We've got a shaky global economy with rising inflation and potential tariffs.
And we've got this regulatory uncertainty looming over everything. It's like a perfect storm.
It really is. And while the current outlook might seem pretty bleak, it's important to remember that volatility is inherent to crypto.
So this might just be a bump in the road, a necessary correction even.
It's possible. This downturn could force weaker projects out and ultimately lead to a stronger, more mature market.
So is this the beginning of the end for crypto?
Or a new beginning.
Yeah.
That's the million-dollar question.
Yeah, I guess we'll have to wait and see. But one thing's for sure, this crypto crash is a wake-up call.
It highlights the importance of understanding the risks, doing your research, and remembering that change is the only constant in this space.
So stay informed, stay curious, and as always, buckle up, because the crypto world is going to keep us on our toes.
That's for sure.
Thanks for joining us for this deep dive into the crypto crash. We'll be back soon with more insights and analysis.
Until then, stay informed and happy investing.
See ya.
If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more crypto content, and I'll see you in the next one.